So where were we earlier? So we are writing about a, yeah, sign convention we did. The other one we are writing this one. Yes or no? Average, speed average we are trying to do. So this one, yeah. Tell me what is it here? When two particles move with a different velocities, like different velocities, when particles move with a different speeds, there is different speeds here, and the time is also given up. Then average will be written as what is it here? Total distance covered by total time. Yes or no? So totally what is it here? S1 plus S2, like that I can totally write it. Can I write like that? So now if the time is what is it here? N seconds now. They're all equal. Time intervals are equal now. I can simply add the forces and I can just take the mean about it. Yes or no? Till here I wrote it right, I guess. Yes or no? Here itself I will try to do certain examples. Okay, here itself we will do certain examples. What is that example now? For example, to finish this part, note done, note done. So here I'll try to frame the example till then. Okay. Now there is a situation I'm trying to create. Only two intervals are there. The distances here A to B distances I'm taking it as a S1 distance. Here what is the distance here? S2 distance. Person started from this point going in this manner. Okay, straight direction. So and the time will be taken is t1. Time is also taken is t1. Clear? Any difficulty here? No. T2. This is T2. Time was different. Now average I wanted to speak about this condition. What is the average formula? V average is equals to, what is that here? Total distance covered S1 plus S2 divided by, what is that here? T1 plus T2. Now one more important thing is that this person is moving with A to B velocity was V1, and here in this situation B to C, what is that here? V2. What is that here? V2. Now this entire equation you need to convert into V1 and V2. Yes or no? So how would I do it? Let's see. Now we know that you want to convert everything into the, yes or no? This part only you want to convert. So you have to remove the conditions here. Logical, let's say. For example, here T1 is equal to what can I write, buddy? T1 is equal to what can I write? S1 divided by V1. Can I write? Next, T2 is equal to what can I write here? S2 divided by V2. Yes or no? Now, the distances covered was same distance. Distance was same distance here. Distance covered was same only. But you need to convert it. Means everything should be there in the velocities terms only. So here what happens upside here? S1 plus S2. Totally S plus S. Totally 2s it will come. Downside also what is that here? S1 is nothing but S divided by V1 plus S divided by V2. Can I write like that? Very good. 2s divided by what is that? S we can take it common. V1 plus V2 we can take the LCM divided by V1 and V2. Can I write like that? Sn and S can cancel. So total answer will be what is it? V average is equal to 2 V1 V2 divided by V1 plus V2. Can I write like that? Done. Finish. Okay, we'll try to do one more concept also. We'll try to study. Shall we? Yes, buddy. Shall I? What about this one now? This is what I am trying to tell. Just now we did that only. Yes or no? What is that if the distances are same? If the distances are same now, this will become in terms of what is it here? Harmonic mean. Earlier which one here? This is the arithmetic mean. Yes or no? Earlier time is equivalent na arithmetic mean. If the distances are, you can write this situation, okay? This point alone you can write. If S1 is equal to S2 is equal to S3 is equal to like that na, I can write a harmonic mean of the speed. I can do it, which is a V average is equal to n times of 1 by V1 plus 1 by V2 plus 1 by V3, like that you can take it. Yes or no? Then buddy, so situation, let's do it one more example here. If in a case now one person is there, what is the name that Vijay is there? Okay, Vijay means everybody has a vibe, right? Vijay want to go to some house. Which house, right? Nishant. Nishant's house. He wants to go to this house. Yes or no? Now this person is, where is it at A position? Going to B about Chennai, Hyderabad. This is. Then C. Then this is at D. Here to here the distance was same. Distance is S1, S2, then S3. Am I correct? All are equal distances only, but try to give me the average value, V average value. But everywhere this fellow is going with a constant speed, uniform speed. Clear? Tell me, what is the answer I can write? N divided by N means how much here? 3 times. How many intervals are there here? 3. Yes or no? Eat entire finger, idiot. 1 by V1 plus 1 by V2 plus 1 by V3. Clear? Now what happens? Tell me. V average is equal to, what is the answer I can write? 3 times of V1, V2, V3 divided by, can I write V1, V2 plus V2, V3 plus V3, V1. Simple only, no? Done, buddy? So like this you can do the questions. If there is possibility that either time intervals are equal, time will be equal or distance are equal. If it is not equal, now you should go with the proper formula. Yes or no? Got it? Any difficulty? No. Shall I move on? Okay. So do this question now. For particle travels first half distance with the speed v1, second half distance with the speed v2. Find average speed during the journey. Find the average speed during the journey. Okay. Clear, buddy? B average formula, what is it? I'll get it. B average. So we will stick to the simple question. What is it? Distances are equal, then it is a arithmetic, right? Sorry, harmonic mean. So n into what is it? 1 by v1 plus 1 by v2. That's it, right? Don't care about all those things. S is equal now. That's it. Your question is already done here. 2 times of what is it here? What is it here? 1 by v1 plus 1 by v2. So total answer will be what is it? 2 v1 v2 divided by v1 plus v2. That's it, right? That's what we discussed, right? Same. If the time is equal, na, speed will be arithmetic mean you have to do. That's it. Shall we move on? Shall we do this question now? The body starts from rest and travels 120 centimeter in a sixth second. Where is it here? Sixth. Completed, right? What about this one? In the following graph, distance travelled by a body in meters. This graph is between what is it here? Velocity and time. So how do you calculate distance? Very good. Area under the curve. So area under the curve, how many areas are there? 3 areas. Yes or no? So triangle area plus rectangle area plus, yes or no, plus one more triangle area. Do it. No issue, do it. Triangle area is how much here? First triangle area plus rectangle area plus triangle area. Give me the answer. 200. Are you sure? Half into 5 into 10 plus triangle is how much here? 10 into 10 plus half into 10 into 10. Total answer is 10 into 10. So totally how much? Yeah, this is 50. This is also 50 and 100. Totally 200 meters will be the correct answer. How can you do it, Nishant? These are all secret of eating. Eating fingers, pens. Very good. Nishant, eat this one also, right? Come, idiot. Shall we? Did you do it? Why your name is Gabriel? Gabriel? Oh, your house name is Gabriel. Why Gabriel? Satan. Name of what? One great king. In France, there is people are there in Tamil Nadu also. From France. Acha. Again, one more house name. Xavier. Okay, then Mount Mountfort. Then that's it. Three houses only. We have Nishant house, one pen house, one pencil house. Huh? Shabri. Where is he? We'll deal after exam gets over, right? Shall we? Shall we go forward? What is there? Forward, nothing is there, right? Sampling any questions? Do this question. No. Wait. Good. Do this question. A freely falling body covers half of its total distance in last second of journey. Find it's the time of fall. Come on. Huh? 2 seconds, huh? If 2 seconds not comes, what will I do? Hmm. Okay. So how to proceed for this question? Simple. If a freely falling body covers half of its total distance in last second of its journey, last second this sort of term comes, it will be a SN formula you should use. Nth formula you should use. Clear? But first of all, let me say, so situation 1, what is the situation 1? Situation 1 la Nishant is eating whole pen. ऐसा no? Nishanta. So it is falling freely downside. Free condition we know that u is equal to 0. Acceleration will take it positive or negative. If you are following the whole sign convention, you take it negative. Only nominal convention, other signs you should not take. Others everything will be positive only. Clear? So what is this one then? A is equal to, if I take it going downwards, I am taking G. Let's G. Nominal I am trying to use. So nominal now it is reaching to the ground. When it reach to the ground, in n second it will reach. How many seconds it will reach here? So t is equal to n seconds it will reach. So what is the formula I can use here? S is equal to ut plus half at square. Can I write it like that? So what is happening here? U value is any of 0. Then it will be written as g n square divided by 2. Can I take it equation number 1? Next is situation 2. I will talk about a halfway movement. Now situation 2, I will try to see. In our situation 2, this body is reaching to the certain distance from there, which is how much here? S by 2 distance. But still it needs to complete. Final also it needs to complete. Yes or no? But it is not reached here, so I am showing with a dotted line. Varul brother. Who is Varul brother? Went. Got it, buddy. So now in this situation, like, it is falling down like that. Then what should I use the formula? Sn is equal to u plus a by 2, 2n minus 1. We know that still it is freely falling only, no? So u is equal to what is that here? 0. A is equal to what is that here? Plus g. So formula will be what is it? And Sn is equal to what is it here? How much it is covered, right? Half of the total height, right? Yes or no? So total answer will be what is that here? S by 2, which is equal to g by 2 and 2n minus 1. Right? So g, then what can I write here? 2 you can cancel. Very good. So s is equal to what is that here? G times of 2n minus 1, which is your equation number 2. Yes or no? Can I take it like that? Now 2 is substituted in 1. Can I do it like that? N value only I need to find. So instead of s, so 2 is substituted in a 1. Then 2 substituted in 1, now what is that? So instead of s, what can I write here? G into 2n minus 1, which is equals to g n square divided by 2. Can I write like that? This and this can I cancel? So n square is equal to what is it? Equation I will get it minus 4n plus 2, which is equal to 0. Yes or no? Now find can I remove first situation here? What is that, buddy? N square minus 4n plus 2, which is equal to 0. So it is like a formula of what is that here? Minus b plus or minus that formula only, no? So we have formula that is minus n is equal to minus of minus what is that here? Will be plus 4 plus or minus root of what is that here? 4 square minus 4 into 1 into divided by what is that here? 2 into 1. Which formula is this one, right? Do you remember? A square a into x whole square plus b into x plus c, which is equal to 0. Then x you want to find now. You can write minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This formula only I am using it. Now get it. So what is the answer? I'll get it, buddy, here. So n is equals to 4 plus or minus, here 4 I can take it common. So what is will be left here? What will be left, right? 4 minus 2, it will be root 2 will be left. That's it. Yes or no? Yes or no? Then what is that here? 2. So total answer will be what is that here? 2 plus or minus root 2. Yes or no? Right? What is the answer for you? 2 plus or minus root 2 seconds. Correct, Nishan? What? Answer is how much? 2. But it is how much here? 2 plus or minus. Now we should always consider plus for the time. Root 2. So total answer will be how much here? 2 plus 1.414. 1.4 I am taking. What is the answer, Renisha? Just see it. What is the answer? Then also if I how much you'll get it? 0.6 seconds. Yes or no, re? Average answer won't take it because it is a falling body going upside downside is a non-uniform motion. Yes or no, re? If uniform na everybody will be flying now. Huh? Clear? Can you do this one? A body is projected vertically up with a velocity u. Yes or no? Its velocity at a half of its maximum height and at a 3 by 4th of its maximum height r. बोले तो it is not reached maximum height. Where is it? It's going up, 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 up. So when body is thrown upside direction, now we want to calculate it. Where is it body? At this point you want to calculate half, which is h. How much here? Which is a half of it. Yes, no? So h dash is equal to how much here? It will be h max divided by 2. What is the velocity? Now calculate here. Let's say v dash. Calculate. So we can write a v dash minus v dash whole square, v square minus u square formula I am trying to use here. V dash whole square minus u square, which is equal to what is that here? I can write here 2a s. S means here what is that here? H max. Can I take it like that? Sorry, h dash, can I take it like that? Okay, so few concept I'll try to write. A is going up now, minus g I can take it. Nominal things I am trying to take. So what happens now? Answer, tell me. V dash square minus u square, which is equal to 2g, which is minus g into h dash. Right? So v dash whole square minus u square, which is equal to what is that I can write here? Minus 2g h dash. Clear? So now few things I wanted to see. For example, anything I can change here. Let's take equation number 1. Can I write like that? Next situation 2. What is the situation 2? It is reached at a, so v double dash whole square minus u square, which is equal to 2 into minus 2 into g into here H dash is how much here? H max by 2, right? I can write like that, right? So I'll write here V dash whole square minus U square is equal to 2G H max. I can take it like this by 2. So what is the answer here? 2 and 2 can I cancel? So G into H max will be there. Okay, fine. So this is a V dash whole square will be equal to here U square. Let's take it. This is equation 1. You can take it. What about this one, buddy? This is a 3 by 4th, right? 3 by 4th of H max. So what happens now? B double dash whole square minus U square is equals to this 2. How many times it will cancel? 2 times. So minus 3 G by how much? 2 H max. Can I write like that? Which is equation number, what is that here? 2. Which is equation number, what is that here? 2. Now, where buddy? Here it should be minus. So if I try to cancel them, 1 minus 2 or 2 minus 1, if I try to do, okay, do it. So 1 minus 2 or 2 minus 1, I will try to do 1 minus 2. I am trying to do, okay. 1 is what is it here? V1 dash whole square minus what is it here? U square, sorry, U square minus 2G GH max we have, and this one is V double dash whole square minus U square, which is equal to minus 3G H max divided by what is it here? 2. Solve it now. Just trying to solve this one. What is this? Minus na, this will also minus, this will be plus. Aisa no? This will be plus for us. So what happens? This and this can I cancel? So what is the answer now? V1 whole square minus V double dash whole square, which is equal to what is the answer here? 3 by 2. Yes or no? 1 by 2 will be left or not? So it will be G by 2 H max will be left. That will be your answer. But give me a pen. Okay. All are my students. 29, 620. Madam, yesterday? Yeah. Already. Legend. Clear? Huh? Finished? Any difficulty? Shall I move on? Okay. Do this question. Graph wala question. Velocity time graph particle moving in a straight line shown in figure. Plot the corresponding displacement time graph of the particle. First tell me, is it a uniform motion or non-uniform motion? This has a slope or not? Vt slope will be, what is that? Say Vt slope is, what is that? Yeah, boring. Huh? Acceleration same go to same idiot. कहाँ से आ रहे तू? Huh? Acceleration, is that no? So there is a graph here. You see there is a theta, means obviously acceleration is there. Here also theta, acceleration is there. It is going, means sometimes it is uniform, sometimes it is a non-uniform. Got it? Huh? So uniform na directly. So S is directly proportional to T for a uniform motion. For non-uniform motion na S is equal to ut plus half a t square. Yes or no? So that time what happens here, S is directly proportional to t square for a non-uniform. Yes or no re? Now calculate a distance for each area. How many areas are possible here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Calculate. So distance of S1. S1 is how much now, tell me? It's a triangle half into 2 into 10. Yes or no? What is the value S1? Tell me, 10 meters. Then S2 value is how much here? It is rectangle. Rectangular. So it is a 2 into area is how much? Length into breadth, 2 into 10. So total answer 20 meters. S3 value is how much here? Oh, here already 3, this is 4, this is 5. Got it? Huh? Here two areas are possible. S3 will be, what is that? Again, let's say S3 is, I can say half into height is how much? 10 into this one base is how much? 2. Again 10 meters. Fine. Then S4 is how much here? Length into breadth. How much rate? 2 into 10, totally 20. Then S5 will be how much here? Half into half into 2 into 20, which will be how much here? 20 meters. Yes or no? Distance versus time graph. Yes or no? Now tell me 0 to A. Yes or no? This is, what is this one here? O to A concept. This one is A to B. This one is B to C. This one is same under the B to C only. Yes or no? Then what is this one here? C to D only. Got it? Now you tell me O to A, it is uniform or non-uniform? Non-uniform. What is it here? Non-uniform. Non-uniform na obviously from 0. Non-uniform means it is a, you see this is square. So it will be little bit curved. O to A I drew it. Then A to B, you see it is a constant or not? Speed is constant. Speed is constant means acceleration will be there. No. Then what is it here? It will be straight line. Yes or no? Then B you reach. B to C again, what is it here? Reverse or not? This is non-uniform, right? Then what is that again? Coming down, this is going down, deceleration. Yes or no? Again this is also non-uniform, like this. So this is a C curve, this is a, this sort of curve you will get it. Got it? Then Done? Any difficulty? Do this question. Do this question. Ishan, hand is going somewhere. If S is equal to 2t cube plus 3t square plus 2t plus 8, find the time at which acceleration is completely 0. Find out. S is equal to what is it here? 2t cube plus 3t square plus 2t plus 8. Velocity I want to find out. One time I will differentiate it. So it will be how much? 3 into 6 will be, it will be 6t square plus 60 plus 2. That's it, right? Next, acceleration means what is that here? dv divided by dt. One more time differentiation. This will be 12t plus 6. Yes or no? Where acceleration is 0, na? So 12t plus 6, which is equal to what is that? T is equal to minus 6. Where minus? Where is the minus there? Eyesight or a local brand effect? This is that is a 2 cube, 2t cube, not 2 cube. It is 2t cube. Okay, man, I am literally harassed here. Okay, 2t cube plus 3t square plus 2t plus 8. Am I correct? That's what the thing, right? I am differentiating it. So totally minus 0.5 seconds. Now Nishant will ask, time will not be negative, no sir? Yes, of course not. So you have to take it positive value. Yes or no? You always take a modulus. What should I take? Modulus. Then do the second question. Velocity of a particle starting at t is equal to 0 is a v is equal to 40. Calculate the displacement of the particle between 2 to 4. Come on, Nishant, you can do it. Where is the hand? Oh, left hand. Pen. So V is equals to 4t. Displacement they are asking. So can I write V? Can I write it as displacement divided by time? Yes or no? 4t. Then displacement is equal to 4t into dt. Can I write? Can I integrate from 0 displacement to how much, right? Total displacement 0 from 2 seconds to 4 seconds. If integrate it, so you will get a displacement 4. How much the integration of t will be? What is that here? T square by 2 and 2 to 4. Am I correct? So 2 how many times cancel here? 2 times. So 2 into t square upper limit minus lower limit means 4 square minus 2 square. So how much here? 2 into 16 minus 4. Total answer will be how much? 16 minus 4 is how much, buddy? 12. 12 into 2 is how much here? 25. 24 है. क्या है? 24 meters. So you need to do the questions related to it at home nicely. Yes or no? Worksheet I'll send me. Less than 70 marks I'll not accept. हो गया? चलो. Do it by your own. If you have done, please move from the hall. Okay, bye. Finished? Wait.